My name is Brian Coverland, and I heard about the garage because I've known Roy personally for 26 years. I would describe my experience with the garage as very positive. I like to come where there's integrity, where you can bring your vehicle and know that it's being serviced fairly, and this job's going to be done when you leave. What I liked most about my experience with the garage is the fact that I had just security, knowing that my vehicle was going to be taken care of, and I wasn't going to be told that something was wrong with it. It wasn't just so they could take more money. I knew it was going to be fair here. Would I recommend the garage to friends and family? Yes. In fact, I have to several friends and family members. My family members all bring their cars here, and I have several friends that bring their vehicles here too, because I tell them if you want it done right, and you want it done fairly, take it to the garage.